Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you how you can delete your favorite YouTube videos on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch it to the end. Like it. Let's get started. To do this, you'll need to go to the YouTube app on your iPhone or iPad. And this is where you get the home page. You'll see videos. You'll need to click on your profile in the upper right-hand corner or the lower right-hand corner, like I do. And after you click on it, it brings up your account, your Google account history. You click on it. There's a playlist. You click View. You click Like Videos. You click Favorite Videos. And then you find videos that you like. And if you want to delete any of those videos, you select, say, this one. You like it, and you want to remove it. You click on these three dots, and at the bottom, it says Remove from Liked Videos. And then you click here, and then it's removed. It's gone now. This is how you can do it on absolutely any device, namely iPhone. If you help them like this video, you can like it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all very much for watching. See you all again. Goodbye.